My name is Bharat. Today I will be presenting on the Indian economic outlook for 2025. This presentation will cover key aspects such as GDP growth, economic drivers, monetary and fiscal policies, investment trends, and challenges India might face. India is one of the fastest growing economics in the world, and 2025 is expected to be crucial year in its developing journey. Let's start with the Indian GDP growth projections for 2025. The Indian government expects GDP to grow between 6.3% and 6.8%, slightly lower than the previous year. International organizations like IMF have projected 6.5% growth rate, indicating steady economic momentum. This growth is driven by the strong domestic consumption, government reforms, and increasing private sector and investments. Key economic drivers. Several key factors will drive India economic growth in 2025. Rural demand. As the agriculture sector recovers and rural income arise, demand in villages and small towns will increase, contributing to overall economic growth. Inflation trends. Inflation has been a moderating and helping maintain purchasing power and keeping the consumer spending strong. Government spending. The government is expected to increase the spending on infrastructure and social welfare programs, boosting economic activity. And the topic monetary policy and developments. Policy plays a crucial role in economic growth. In February 2025, the Reserve Bank of India cut interest rates by 25 basis points to 6.25%. This was the first time cut in almost 5 years. Lowest interest rates make borrowing cheaper, which encourages businessmen to expand and consumers to spend more. This move is aimed at stimulating economic growth while keeping the inflation under control. Private investment trends. Private investment is another key factor shaping Indian economy in 2025. While IPO markets have slowed down, private equity and venture capital investments are increasing. Sectors like financial services, IT, and healthcare are seeing the most investment. This is a positive sign as private investment brings innovation, job creation, overall economic expansion. Fiscal policy and budgetary measures. Fiscal policies, including taxation, government spending, are shaping Indian economic landscape. The 2025 Union Budget introduced tax reforms, including zero tax for incomes up to 12 lakh under the new regime, which will increase disposable income for the middle class. The government has also allocated more funds for agriculture, research, and development, aiming for the long term economy stability and self reliance. What are the challenges ahead? Despite strong growth projections, India faced some major challenges in 2025. Global risks, geopolitical tensions, and trade disruptions could impact Indian exports and overall economic stability. Commodity prices. The fluctuation in oil raw material prices could lead to inflation, increasing costs for businesses. Domestic concerns. Rising unemployment, inflammatory pressures remain a challenge for policymakers to address. Conclusion and the future outlook. In summary, Indian economy is expected to grow between 6.3% and 6.8% in 2025, supported by strong domestic demand, private investments, and government policies. However, challenges like global uncertainties, inflation, and unemployment issues need to be managed carefully. India focus on digital transformation, infrastructure, and innovation will be crucial in ensuring long-term economic stability. Overall, 2025 will be the year of both opportunities and challenges for Indian economic growth. Thank you.